Hello, dear friend. In this meditation, you will find a beautiful space to relax and heal. This is your inner sanctuary, a place full of unconditional love and beauty that exists within you. I invite you to find a comfortable place to lie down or sit. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Inhale to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 8. And then just fall into a natural breathing pattern. Relaxing your face, your forehead, relax your tongue and jaw bones. Let go of the worries of the day, let go of the past and future. Let go of any expectation and be here now. It is safe to be here and now. On your next inhale, breathe in light, a beautiful light of your favorite color. It fills up all your body and energy field. Flowing and clearing out any stagnant or heavy energy that no longer serves you. As you keep breathing in and exhaling light, your body feels more and more relaxed and joyful. Now visualize a door in front of you. It represents the entrance to your inner world. You open the door and walk into a magical place. This place is the most beautiful place you've ever been. It has the brightest colors and most exuberant nature. The air is so pure. What kind of plants and animals can you see? Is it night or day? Is it mountain, ocean? Maybe you can see the infinite stars and constellations dancing above you. Try to feel the ground under your feet as you walk. Is it sand or grass or water? Make this place entirely yours. Now you hear some melodious voices and laughs nearby, and feel a loving presence emerging. You turn around and you see them. They are your spirit guides. Notice how they show themselves to you. If through colors, sounds, or maybe a feeling. Maybe you sense them smiling and waving at you, exuding the most radiant energy, delight, and playfulness, as well as grace, wisdom, and poise. They approach you. You feel so loved and accepted in their company. Your guides have a message for you. Let them show you. Perhaps the message is a symbol, an image, a sensation. Widen all your inner senses and listen. They also want to hear from you, so feel free to ask them something. And let their answer come to you, in whichever form is most helpful. Continue to bask in the beauty of your surroundings, the peacefulness and calm of your inner sanctuary. Now visualize your crown chakra swirling and spinning faster and faster. It opens to receive a magnificent cascade of light that flows and shimmers down to your body, replenishing you with vibrant health, creativity, and inspiration. Breathe in cleansing light. Exhale cleansing light. Your guides help you draw more energy to and through you. Visualize the soles of your feet transporting all excess energy down to earth to be transmuted. Create more cycles of replenishment with light as you like. And also feel yourself grounded and physically stable and safe in your body. Breathe in light. Exhale light. Thank your guides for their help and say goodbye for now. Know that you can come to your inner sanctuary whenever you want it, and you can instantly connect with your guides. Now, my friend, you can choose to slowly come out of this meditation and gently stretch your body, or drift off to sleep if you prefer. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today. May your heart feel lighter and your soul replenished with love and everything you need the most right now. Namaste.